If you're a Twitch streamer and you plan to diversify your following or just create your own streaming hub on your very own website, you've come to the right place. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build a gaming empire off of Twitch and onto your WordPress website. Hi, I'm Beatrice, and I've been streaming for over 5 years and helping streamers like yourself build their own streaming hubs on their websites. So right in front of me, I have this esports demo from the Hello WpStream theme. The theme is free. You can get it for free from the WpStream.net website. And these are all the things that you can get on your empire, on your gaming empire. So all you need to do is follow the instructions that I'm going to show you in this video. So please keep watching. So the first thing I'm actually doing is getting the fresh install of a WordPress site. So I have a fresh install right here. I don't have any theme, no plugins, nothing. It's fresh. So I'm going to take you just from the beginning on how to get your streaming hub on your WordPress site. So the first thing I'm doing is going to the appearance section and clicking on themes. And from here, we'll click on add theme and we will look up Hello WP Stream. Bear with me as I type this out. And we'll click on install, and once it's installed, we'll also activate the theme. So we have the theme over here. Like I said, it's a free theme. All the demos are free. We currently have 5 demos and we're counting. And so once we've done this, we'll go ahead and begin installing the plugins. So I'm going to bulk select those and install. So we'll want to have all of these installed before we can import the actual demo. And that's the way it's going to work best. So we've installed all of these and now we have to go ahead and select again, bulk select them all and activate these plugins. So I've done that as well. So we have all the plugins ready to go. And the next step for this, and what was important to have, was the import plugin. So this one over here, where is it? Yeah, the one-click demo import. This is what we want to do next to get the actual esports demo. So we'll go to appearance and then look up import demo data. So let's click on that and check out all the available demos. So here's the Hello WpStream theme, and we currently have 5 different demos. So we have the main demo, the esports demo, we have 2 church demos, and we also have a live shopping demos. But for this video, we're doing the esports gaming demo because we're moving from Twitch to WordPress. So let's click on import demo. So before we import, go through all this and then continue and import. So this is going to take some time. So yeah, like it says, please sit tight and let's wait. Let's go ahead and click on visit site and you will have your esports demo ready to go. And that's basically it. That's how you get your esports gaming demo on your very own WordPress site. So what did that take? Like 5 minutes? And we already have our site set up looking like a mix of YouTube and Twitch, and we can go ahead and go live. So this is how a live stream channel looks like. So we have all the bio, these images, categories, tags, actors, things like that, the comment section. And you also have the option of adding more from this broadcaster. This comes up automatically based on the author, the latest video from the author, trending videos, and things like that. And then another cool thing you can do is you actually have this start streaming section. So this is where if you create a streaming platform and you want regular users to stream on your platform, just like on Twitch. So on Twitch, anyone can go live. So the same thing you can do on WordPress and set up your account and everything. And on your website, people can actually go live. So this is the section where people can go live. Obviously, you will need to change up these colors and things like that if you want to, but from here your regular users can go live. And if you want to create a live stream, all you have to do is go back to your admin, we have the WpStream plugin. So this is the plugin that we're using to actually live stream and create on-demand videos and things like that. So let's go to WpStream and let's do the WpStream quick start so we can set up our own channel from there. So from here, you obviously add your email, your password, things like that. If you already have one, I already have one. So let's do that. So from here, you can either go live or create a video on demand. So that's your choice. Let's click on go live. You can charge. So if you have WooCommerce, you can also charge for your live streams and for your video on demand as well. And so can your regular users that plan to live stream on your site. So yeah, that's amazing. So for now, let's just go for no and create our first free to view channel. So you've just created your first free to view channel, and now let's go through these instructions that you can also follow once you create your website and start streaming with WpStream. So let's go through these. Here's where you can control your channel. You can check out the channel settings as well. So if you want to record a live stream, choose to autoplay and things like that. And once you're ready, you can click on turn on. So let's turn on the channel from now while we do everything else. So my account is currently on basic streaming mode, and the great thing about this is you can still stream on your website on the basic streaming plan. Let's say you don't need to pay, but all your resources are from your hosting, as opposed to if you get a plan with WpStream, you can live stream on the WpStream servers and hosting and things like that without adding any load to your website. But for now, let's use the basic streaming mode. You can check out your channel page from here. And yeah, when you're ready to go live, you just click on that. So, of course, like with anything, you can add a description. You can add images here. So let's just add some images that already exist just to show you how it works. A trailer, so you can also add a trailer as well. You can add a video preview, a logo as well, and of course your media categories sets featured images. So let's just set this image. Ratings, where you can play, so I don't know, PlayStation, Xbox, things like that. So if you're streaming a game, you can show where you're playing. Actors, tags, and I don't know, action and the categories, and you can update. As you can see, the channel has turned on in the meantime while I've gone through all of this. So normally we also have the option to go live via the browser. But in this instant, because I am on the free basic streaming plan, I can't. So you will need to upgrade your plan. But for this basic streaming, we can stream via an external streaming app. And the most popular one that our users actually take advantage of is OBS Studio, which is also the first option here, but you can also use StreamYard, Restream, vMix, Wirecast, XSplit, Lyrics, and many more. These are just some options over here, but any streaming app that accepts custom RTMP is good to go with WpStream. So let's open OBS. I should have had this open already, but I don't. So I've closed the camera in the meantime to set this up. Here's OBS Studio, and we'll click on OBS, and the server and stream key is what we want to copy and paste into the settings of OBS. So go to Settings, Stream, and under Service choose Custom and paste the server and stream key as shown here. So I'm pasting that as well. I'm going to start streaming. So while we wait, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments section what you're here for, and if you want to see any similar videos, let us know any of your feedback and things you want to see next. So here's the live stream. I've just put on a gaming visual so that you can see how it looks like. And yeah, this is how a live channel will look like. You'll see the live events that are currently happening on the right hand side. Of course, there's the gallery, tags, categories, similar streams, and things like that. And you can also go picture in picture, and you can also go full screen as well. So in picture in picture, you can scroll through different tabs and keep watching while still scrolling. And of course, full screen where it goes full screen. And another thing that you can do is customize this player. So I have this bar over here. I believe this is a default bar, but you can switch this up by going to your WordPress admin. So we're going back and then going to WpStream and then to settings. And here, if we scroll down under general options right to the end, you will see that there's the option to change up the video player theme. So like I said, it was on default, but let's change it to city, for example, and it will automatically save. But let's go back, but you will need to refresh the page, pardon, so you can see the changes. So as you can see, this bar changed up and it looks different. So there are 5 different ones, including the default one. So let's check out the fantasy one. And I also want to add a logo just so you can see. So we're adding our logo for now, but you can add your own logo. So again, unlike on third parties, you don't have their logo, you have yours. So here's the fantasy bar, the player, and of course the logo as well. And you can change up where you want to see it, on the top, on the bottom, left, right, things like that. And once you're done, you simply go back to OBS Studio and stop streaming. And that's it, your live stream is over. And this message will appear, and your trailer. So if you set up a trailer, your trailer will start after. So what else can I show you? Let's go back. This is the main page. You can also check out the different categories that we've set up. So for example, simulation games, go through the blog posts, free VODs, free events, things like that. And then in the search bar, you can also look up by blog post or video on demand, live stream, and whatever you want to add as well. So this is basically the demo that you have, but you can switch up everything. And we also have a video on how to customize this. So check it out in our previous videos. And now here is the dashboard. So like I said earlier, you can start streaming from here, or your regular users can start streaming. You can view your orders, purchase videos, live streams, and things like that. And that is basically it. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and please make sure you come back for more. Bye!